Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, and I'm basically on my way home from work, but I figured that I would show you basically one of my favorite places within the county. I just recorded like a whole 8-minute long video because I thought it was going to take longer for me to get down here, so I was going to show you guys some more cool stuff, but I'll record that on my actual video camera and edit it when I have a computer again. So basically this is 10 Mile Creek, which is really a river, and if you can't see, it is running right now. But yeah, and if you don't notice, there's a whole fresh layer of snow on the ground that we just got last night. So we're getting snow even still in May. That's like the view over there. On the other side of the street would be the lake, which is where it runs into. But yeah, I guess I'll take you guys on a little walk and kind of explain why I didn't film last week or get a video up last week or whatnot. So basically what happened was I'm back onto this really weird schedule of being on 3 night shifts, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then having a random second shift thrown in there on Wednesday. And last week was my first week back onto that whole situation. So yeah. Oh hey, look at that. You can kind of see the steam coming off of the lake. Try and get a little bit higher up. Maybe you'll be able to see where the lake is supposed to be and isn't really. So anyway, so my body was just completely worn out. Yeah, my body was basically just completely worn out, and I wasn't really able to get enough sleep and then get a vlog up and whatnot. So I'm really sorry, and I'm not sure how long this is gonna continue to happen right now. But yeah, I will try my hardest while this is still continuing. But if nothing else, come August, I'm going to be down in Tennessee, so you know, I'll definitely miss parts of this place when I leave, because I did grow up here, but I won't miss everything. So yeah, my favorite place is basically my hometown, and specifically actually a place called Rainbow Lake, which is pretty much impossible to get to right now because of all the snow. Otherwise I would probably take you guys up there and show you, but I promised to before I leave. So yeah, prettiness all around me, 360 degrees. Basically down there is the school, the middle school, and then we've got the old hospital building up here, which is now some random clinics and a 24-hour gym and whatnot, and just more prettiness. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. And Johanna, I will see you tomorrow.